Hello everyone, welcome to Math Corner. In this video, we will divide polynomial by trinomial of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 1, using synthetic division. Let us begin. Let us divide 12x raised to 4 plus 28x cubed plus 15x squared minus 13x minus 12 by 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. The dividend and the divisor are written in standard form. Let us look at the divisor. The divisor is 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. The leading coefficient is not equal to 1. We need to make the leading coefficient equal to 1 by factoring out 4. If we factor out 4, we are left with x squared plus x plus 1/4. Since 4x squared divided by 4 is x squared, 4x divided by 4 is x, and 1 divided by 4 is also equal to 1/4. 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 4 times quantity x squared plus x plus 1/4. We will divide the dividend by x squared plus x plus 1/4 using synthetic division. And then, we will divide each term of the answer by 4. In x squared plus x plus 1/4, the coefficient of x is positive 1. Let us write the opposite, which is negative 1 on the left side. The constant term is 1/4. Let us write the opposite, which is negative 1/4 on the left side. We have negative 1 and negative 1/4 on the left side. For the dividend, let us write all the coefficients, placing 0 if there are any missing term. The coefficients are 12, 28, 15, negative 13, and negative 12. Let us write this line, and we are done with the setup. Let us divide. Bring down the first coefficient all the way to the last row, and bring down the second coefficient all the way to the third row. Let us multiply negative 1 by 12. The answer will be written in the fourth row. Negative 1 times 12 is equal to negative 12. Next, let us multiply negative 1/4 by 12, and the answer will be written in the second row. Negative 1/4 times 12 is equal to negative 3. Let us add 28 plus negative 12 is equal to 16, and 15 plus negative 3 is equal to 12. Let us repeat the process. Negative 1 times 16 is equal to negative 16. Negative 1/4 times 16 is equal to negative 4. Let us add 12 plus negative 16 is equal to negative 4, and negative 13 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 17. Next, we have negative 1 times negative 4 is equal to positive 4. Negative 1/4 times negative 4 is equal to positive 1. Let us add, we have negative 17 plus 4 is equal to negative 13, and negative 12 plus 1 is equal to negative 11. Last two numbers on the last row will form the remainder. Negative 13 is the coefficient of x, and negative 11 is the constant. So we have negative 13x minus 11 as the remainder. For the quotient, if we divide x raised to 4 by x squared, the answer is x squared. Therefore, 12 is the coefficient of x squared, 16 is the coefficient of x, and negative 4 is the constant term. And we have 12x squared plus 16x minus 4 as the quotient, plus negative 13x minus 11 over the divisor, which is x squared plus x plus 1/4. Since we factor out 4 in 4x squared plus 4x plus 1, and it becomes 4 times quantity x squared plus 4x plus 1/4, let us divide each term of this answer by 4. 12x squared divided by 4 is equal to 3x squared. 16x divided by 4 is equal to 4x. Negative 4 divided by 4 is equal to negative 1. And we have negative 13x minus 11 over x squared plus x plus 1/4 divided by 4 is equal to negative 13x minus 11 over 4 times quantity x squared plus x plus 1/4. And 4 times quantity x squared plus x plus 1/4 is equal to 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. And this is the final answer. We have 3x squared plus 4x minus 1 plus negative 13x minus 11 over 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. And that is how to divide polynomial by trinomial of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 1 using synthetic division. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.